Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Facebook login on mobile using Open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Enter your login information, including your email or phone number and your password. If you encounter a message indicating that you need to verify your identity, select the option for Two-Factor Authentication. Choose your preferred method for receiving the authentication code. This can be via text message or an authentication app. If you select text message, ensure your phone number is correct. Check your messages for the verification code sent by Facebook. Enter the code in the designated field within the app. If using an authentication app, open the app and locate the Facebook code. Enter this code into the Facebook app. Once the code is accepted, you will gain access to your account. If you do not receive a code, request a new one. Try resending the code if there is a delay. In case you can't access your phone, select the option for Need Help on the verification screen. Follow the prompts to recover your account using other recovery options. You may need to verify your identity through additional means, like answering security questions. Once your identity is verified, you'll be able to set up two-factor authentication again. Return to the settings in your Facebook account to ensure two-factor authentication is enabled. Choose to use either text messaging or the authentication app for your login verification. Jot down any backup codes provided for future access. After setting everything up, log out and test the login process again. This ensures that two-factor authentication is correctly functioning. By following these steps, you should successfully restore Facebook login using two-factor authentication. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.